Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be doing a trade breakdown and basically showing you how you can go from being red in the day from a loss to ending the day green with profit, and then knowing when to throw in the towel and not to continue to overtrade. So if you're completely new to the channel, make sure you guys click the link below the video because that way you'll be able to join the free Discord group, right? This is a free Discord trading community that me and the team put together, and we are growing this day in and day out. And there's a lot of members in this that are free, and they're able to help you out and answer any trading questions. So if you're completely new to trading, this is a really good place to go to really learn and basically help you out along the way. So today I took my very first trade for $4,800 loss, and that was frustrating because the very first trade was a loss, and nobody wants to have a loss right when they place their very first trade when the market opens. I'm showing you this to be transparent, right, and show you how you can go from having a losing trade to then having a winning trade. And overall today we ended the morning with $396 in profit. Now, some people might keep trading, but I wanted to basically just stop because I don't want to be greedy, right? I don't want to be greedy. So the next trade, you can see that the first entry was 42,834, 36, and then the next entry after that was 42, 843, 36, and that they were both sells. I was looking for the downside. And on the left-hand side here, we have the Telegram group. You can see that if I go up here, you'll see that I put the sell signal up here at 42,838.56. Now, we'd like to show you the chart of us being in the trade, and you can see that basically what happened the very first time is that it basically we got into the trade, and that came down towards take profit 1, take profit 2, but then the market opened and then it squeezed up, basically took us out, but as it came back down, that's where we jumped back in again for take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. She was basically holding this support area, which is what we were afraid of, so that's why we just cut it off. So I'll go over the bigger chart here with you guys. But again, if you're just interested in joining, again, it's a free trading group. You know, we put it together to really help traders, and we ultimately just want to build a good community and army of traders. So looking at US30 here, you know, the overall between US30 and NAS 100, the market has been very, very choppy this week. It's been very, very hard. Where it starts off very choppy in the morning, and then it takes a while for like the momentum to really come. But looking at US30 here, you know, we didn't really want to chase this. You know, ultimately, you know, we do like to always be bullish, but in this case, you know, it was really kind of hard to read it this morning. You know, we were basically kind of pushing up here. And, you know, she came down. She was basically, it looked like she was going to hold this support level, but we wanted to basically see a drop and crack this area. We knew, like, okay, if we can get this drop below this area, we could really see some momentum here, which is ultimately why we were watching this. Now, again, yesterday was interesting because yesterday the market did, you know, basically sell off pretty hard. Yesterday the market sold off really, really hard, where we had a really good signal. And, you know, the key target here is, I want you guys to look at this, is that right here. Right, so this was a key target support level, and you best believe we're going to be watching that area tomorrow. Now, again, if we scroll back here on the 15-minute chart, you can see that it's held support here. It's held support here multiple times here, multiple times right here, multiple times right here, and then here as here. So the sell signal, the reason we were watching it, again, is to basically crack this area. We came down, pushed up, and we were looking for it to really flush down here. And we're going to really watch it again tomorrow. So tomorrow's going to be Wednesday, so we're really going to be watching to hopefully crack this area, have a nice little sell off here. But again, with today, you know, we sold it, it popped up, took the loss, came back down, jumped back in, dropped down, didn't get big greedy, closed our trade, ended the day with $400 in profit, and you know, we're overall happy with that. So again, you know, when you're coming to the market, guys, and if you start off with a red trade, right? So let's say you take your very first trade and you start with a loss. It's okay. It's okay. You can take another trade, but if that next trade is a loss, then you need to completely cut it. If that next trade is profit, then I'm a firm believer that you should still cut it, right? Because then at that point, you don't want a revenge trade. Okay, you don't want a revenge trade. You just want to respect the market and know that the market is always right, because the market will test you. Test your mental strength, your risk management. It'll test your mindset. And remember, with trading, it's not about being right. It's about being rich. And ultimately, you want to build up your muscle strength for your brain. Your brain's like a muscle. You want to build that strength, and you want to be able to be disciplined and have good risk management. So you basically tell yourself, okay, I'm going to walk away. I'm completely done trading for the day. So that's it for this video. I sincerely hope it helps you guys. Again, we have our free Discord trading group that you could join, ask questions, hang out, learn, earn, make friends, be part of the community, have trading meetups. But then, as always, we do have the option to basically take your trading to the next level, where we do have our VIP group where you will basically receive the signals that we put out day in and day out. So thank you for tuning in, and happy trading.